Do you know your rights as a renter? You might be surprised to find out how much power you actually have. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on renters' rights. This is a critical topic, folks, because understanding these rights can make all the difference in your renting experience. In today's society, renting has become a common part of life for many. Whether you're a fresh graduate moving to the city, a family renting your dream home, or a retiree downsizing to a cozy apartment, knowing your rights as a renter is vital. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey through the labyrinth of renters' rights, from the key rights you should be aware of, to practical solutions for common problems you might run into with your landlord. So buckle up and prepare to equip yourself with knowledge that empowers you to navigate your rental journey with confidence. Knowing your rights is the first step to being a savvy renter. So let's dive in. Renters have rights, and it's crucial to know what they are. Let's dive into some of the key rights you have as a tenant. First off, you have the right to a habitable home. It's not just about having a roof over your head. Your landlord is legally obliged to provide a living space that's safe, clean, and in good repair. This means functioning heating and plumbing, proper sanitation, and a structure that's in a decent state. If your landlord fails to maintain these standards, you can take action next. Your right to privacy. In most cases, your landlord can't just barge in whenever they please. They typically need to give you a reasonable notice, often 24 hours, before entering your property, unless there's an emergency. If you feel your privacy is being violated, document the incidents and consider seeking legal advice. Thirdly, you have the right to be free from discrimination. The Fair Housing Act prohibits landlords from discriminating based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, or disability. Any landlord who discriminates against you for any of these reasons is breaking the law. If you believe you've been discriminated against, reach out to a local fair housing agency. Lastly, you have a right to the return of your security deposit. Typically, your landlord should return your deposit within a set period after you move out, barring any deductions for unpaid rent or damages beyond normal wear and tear. If you're having trouble getting your deposit back, you might consider taking your landlord to small claims court. These are just a few of the key rights you have as a renter. But what happens when these rights are violated? Let's explore that next. So what do you do if you find yourself facing some of the common problems renters often encounter? Let's begin with maintenance issues. If your landlord isn't taking care of necessary repairs, the first step is to contact them directly. Be sure to put your request in writing, whether it's an email or a dated letter. This documentation will be crucial if the issue escalates. Now, what about privacy violations? Your landlord should respect your space, but if they're entering your unit without proper notice, start by discussing this concern directly with them. If the problem persists, you might need to involve a local tenants' rights organization or consult a lawyer. Discrimination is another issue that unfortunately some renters face. Whether it's based on race, gender, religion, or disability status, it's not only morally wrong, it's illegal. If you believe you're a victim of housing discrimination, reach out to a local fair housing agency. They can guide you on how to file a complaint and what steps to take next. Sometimes problems go beyond these common issues, and that's when you might need legal advice. Many cities have legal aid organizations that offer free or low-cost consultations. Don't hesitate to seek their assistance. Remember, you're not alone in this. There are resources available to help. Leverage these resources, stand up for your rights, and ensure your renting experience is as smooth and fair as it should be. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We delved into the crucial rights of renters and explored solutions to common issues. Remember, you have the right to a safe and habitable home, to privacy, and to fair treatment. If problems arise, communicate with your landlord, document everything, and seek legal advice if necessary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And remember, knowledge is power. Share this video with everyone you know to help ensure renters everywhere know their rights.